Good morning, children. Hope all of you are doing good. Have enjoyed your vacation. You all know me. I'm Chati ma'am. As I have already taught you social science in 6th standard. So, here also I am only going to take this subject. Okay, as you have enjoyed last year this subject, the same we are going to do this year also. Okay, with the new concepts, with the new learning. So, this new session, let's start with revising the concept what we have already done in 6th standard. Okay. So, can anyone tell me from where we have started? Yo. See, last year first I have made you understand what is a social science subject. Then we have seen what are the sources of history means, how we know that the various things give us the idea or the information regarding the past, and whatever these manuscript, then in inscriptions, coins, written records. Okay. So these all were the sources of the history. So in today's session we are only going to revise what we have done in the history part. In the next revision session we will see the geography and the civics part also. So what we have done is we have seen how the human being evaluation was the means how the human being on the earth from a food gatherer and the preservers becomes a man who moved to the settled life. Okay, so how this evaluation of the human life has been from the food gatherer to the settled life. What were the main inventions and the discoveries, how the fire and the invention of the wheel and the discovery of the fire helped the human being to change their life. Okay, and how gradually they settled and society and everything started. Then we have seen a very important civilization, and that is in Harappan civilization, which was one of the oldest and the most important civilization. How we have seen that even at that long back time, people were so civilized. There were the urban cities and the towns, rural towns. Okay, how they used to do the business, how they were engaged in how their society was there. Okay, what were their cultures, how from their tools and the potteries and the vessels, ornaments, how we get from the site of the Mohenjo-daro. Okay, and how we came to know about this civilization. Then we have seen the four Vedas, important Vedas, that is in Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Atharva Veda, and then we have seen the Vedic society also. Is it how the four Varnas of the Vedic society? Is it? After that, we have seen that after being settled life, there were the Mahajanpads and the Janpads, means people started building the society. Okay, so there were the small villages, then it was ruled by then it becomes small kingdoms, and that were known as the Janpads, and the big empires were known as the Mahajanpads. And after that we have seen that how there were the emerge of the two main religion after the Hinduism, that is in Jain religion and the Buddhism. Okay, what was the contribution of the Mahavir Swami for the Jain religion, and how Gautam Buddha gave um, uh, because of his ideology a very new religion came into existence, that is in Buddhism. And then we have seen the India's first emperor Ashoka, how he ruled India from north to south. then we have seen the another great king of that time after the Ashoka period, and that is Gupta dynasty. And the most you can say the important ruler of this dynasty was the Vikramaditya. Chandragupta I was actually the you can say a king of the Gupta dynasty who established this one. Okay, because Sri Gupta was the founder of this dynasty. And after the Chandragupta one, it was Samudragupta, and the son of the Samudragupta was the Vikramaditya. He was a great king. Then we have seen after the Gupta dynasty, the northern part was ruled by the king or the emperor Harshvardhan, and the southern part was ruled by the Pulkeshi II. So these were the important, you can say, on things which was a part of the ancient history. Okay, so what we have done in the 6th standard is a part of the ancient history, and in the 7th standard we are going to study about the medieval period. Okay, that is after the ancient period. सो दिस ईयर हम क्या करेंगे बच्चों, हम लोग मिडिवल पीरियड के बारे में पढ़ने वाले। हम ये पढ़ेंगे दैट व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर द एम्परर हर्षवर्धन एंड द पुलकेशी II. Okay, so this is a brief review of, you can say, what you have done in the history part of last year. Now what you have to do is you have to write these points in your notebook. Okay, so what were the important things? How the human being becomes a food gatherer to the settled life, then Harappan civilization, Vedas and the Vedic society, Mahajanpads and the Janpads, which we have already seen. There were how many Mahajanpads were? There were the 16 important Mahajanpads were there. Then we have seen the 2 important religions which emerged in the Indian subcontinent. Then the first emperor Ashoka, then Gupta dynasty, and then the last topic of the history which we have done was the emperor Harshvardhan and Pulkeshi II. So this is all for today's session. If any query, you can post me in personally in the WhatsApp. You can write in the comments. Okay, if you like the video, do share, subscribe. Okay children, so that's it for today's session. What you have to do, what is your assignment? You have to write these points only one time. Okay, goodbye and good day children.